Your mind is always lying to you, and that's a good thing. Watch until the end and I'll share to you why. Yung mind mo, hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. Kaya nga yung phrase na 95% of your thoughts will not come true. Sumikat yun. At mga sikat na tao ang nagsabi nun. Yung mind kasi natin, exaggerated. Maliit na problema, masyadong pinapalaki. Like, oh my God, what if mag-fail ako? What if mapaya ako? What if wala akong marating? Guess what? Most of the time, di naman nangyayari, di ba? Most of what we fear in the mind doesn't really happen. So ba't ganun? Why does our mind scare us even when there's no real danger?